Do you know it's easy to hide a folder in your computer? Today we are going to learn how to hide a folder in our computer and be able to view it when we want to view it. First, let's create a folder. We can leave it as new folder. So to hide this folder, you right click, go to properties, click on hidden and say apply. Say okay. Look, the folder has actually disappeared, right? The folder has disappeared. So how do you see this folder when you want to check this folder in future? Open File Explorer, look at File Explorer, open File Explorer. Look at these three dots, click on it, click on Options, Folder Options, go to View, scroll down, you will see Hidden Files and Folder. Choose Show Hidden Folder, apply, and click OK. Look at it, the folder has appeared. So this is actually how to hide a folder in Windows 11. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our Demic Technology channel. If there's any topic you want us to discuss, please do well to put it on description. If there is any contribution you want to make, please do well to put it on description. Thank you.